Hey, grade 9. So today we'll talk about 2D and 2E. I'm just going to introduce you to the Venn diagrams for now. But for 2E, we have a few vocabulary words. So Venn diagrams. A Venn diagram consists of a universal set U represented by a rectangle and sets within it that are generally represented by circles. So I'll give you a very generic example. So let's say we're comparing and contrasting between cats and dogs, right? So cats and dogs, they exist in this animal universal set, right? So U is all the animals. All animals in the world. And then the green here represents dogs. And the purple here represents cats. Okay, so dogs, the characteristics, they bark, and then they eat bones. Okay, not bones. Let's say eat dog food. Dog food and cat food are different, right? So they bark, they eat dog food. Bark. And then cats, they meow. They eat cat food, and cat food usually smells like fish. Cat food. So these are just random characteristics between them, right? So the differences, you can put them next to each other. Again, like dogs, you could say they go on walks. Usually cats don't do that, so I'll put hate on people. Hate on people as another characteristic. So again, like this in my universe, so you're welcome to debate with me on these. But what do they have in common? Think about it. So whatever they have in common, you're going to put it in the middle. So they're both creatures or God's creations. And then they both have paws. They both have whiskers. And what else? They're both animals, right? Okay. So that's how you would do a Venn diagram. And then on the outside of these circles, you can put characteristics of animals that do not describe dogs nor cats. So if I say they have fins, so neither dogs nor cats have fins. They have tusks like elephants. Neither of them has that. What else? They what else? They eat penguins, like polar bears. Wait, polar bears and penguins don't. Okay, they eat seals. They don't eat seals, right? But dogs, I don't know though. Okay, that's wrong. Or they don't live in the ocean. So do you get the point? Outside of those circles, but within this rectangle or universal set, those are the characteristics that animals in general may have, like different animals, but neither dogs nor cats do that or have that. So that's how Venn diagrams work. Okay, so here it says show A and B on a Venn diagram if universal set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then A has 1, 2, 3, 4, B has 3, 4, 5, 6. So already I can tell that there's an overlap. Okay. So I'm going to put this as A, and then this is B, and this is our U, universal set, the rectangle. So A and B, so what I would suggest is fill out the intersection. Intersection is what they have in common, so the middle part here. So A and B have 3 and 4 in common. So I would put that here, 3 and 4. And then whatever's left in set A, I'm going to put an A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. And then 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And then set U says it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But those numbers are already in A and B. So that's it. Does that make sense? So that's pretty much what Venn diagrams are. Okay. And for 2E, I want you guys to take a look at this page here, and I want you to read about the union of two sets, the intersection of two sets, and disjoint sets. So these are our vocab words for today. So do that, and we'll talk about all the examples tomorrow. See you guys.